So even though we're not getting into the install side or the technical specifications of these Mechman alternators, because there are so many different models and there are so many different applications, for us as full-time RVers who run a DC to DC charger while going down the road, this has worked flawlessly, and we've had zero issues with the craftsmanship of the Mechman alternator. It is a 400 amp Mechman alternator. It was the biggest alternator they make, and it was the biggest one that we could install on our 2007 LBZ Duramax. Mechman alternators are great for high performance applications, demanding applications, performance stereo applications. It also lends itself very well to RVing, the RV industry, and why they're not more popular with it, I don't know. If you are interested in Mechman alternators or high performance alternators, we had this one installed by a shop, spec'd out by Mechman for our LBZ Duramax. So it has the upgraded wiring to both batteries. It has a huge fuse in it, because if something goes wrong, you want a fuse in your system. And we have operated this Mechman alternator for 5 years. It has ran in this truck, whether we're towing, whether we're not towing, whether we're utilizing it or not. Because when we don't have our DC to DC charger plugged in for our RV, we don't really need 400 amps. And when it's plugged in, we really don't need 400 amps then. Our DC to DC charger for our RV is rated at 60 amps. Now what a battery charger does is it takes power from the truck and it puts it into our house batteries of our RV. We also have a Viair dual air compressor system mounted on board, and it's rated at 60 amps. Lauren works online, so a lot of times when we're driving down the road, we have our headlights on, we have our DC to DC charger running, that air compressor kicks on and off depending on how much air horn I'm using. We have her computer usually running, we have all our accessories on, and this Mechman alternator has performed flawlessly. So in 5 years of operating this Mechman alternator, we can say with confidence in our application, RVing, we're driving down the road, we're charging our RV up, we're running our air compressor, we're running accessories on our vehicle. Yes, the 400 amp might be a little extreme, but back in 2018, I think it's gonna be good. Ready to go?
I'm ready.
Let's go. When we were getting into this solar RV lithium technology, we didn't really know. And we went all out with 400 amps. And the reason we did that is because of everything that we're running, and we're typically running it at idle. Now, we had installed our Viair air compressor system, we had our DC to DC charger, and we were still running a factory alternator with some success. We never really had an issue, except I knew we were pushing the limits and it was starting to, smoke a little bit. And we always had to be careful not to turn everything on at the same time. But when we're connecting our RV up, we're checking our tires, we got the DC to DC charger just plugged in fresh for the day, the engine's still cold and it's just starting to idle. I didn't want to have to worry about that. I wanted to do that quick, and this Mechman alternator allowed us to do that. Now, when we first installed this alternator, I was trying not to run a generator for our RV. I was trying to replace a generator with a DC to DC charger. So my thought was I could idle the truck engine and utilize it like a generator. Because of this information here that I have learned since then, it's not the best idea. Is it doable? Yes, we've done it for years. But I don't know, it's not for everyone, and I think I'm leaning more towards a generator for many reasons. So if you're looking for a Mechman alternator for your application and you're worried about their craftsmanship, I can say with certainty after 5 years that their craftsmanship I am not worried about. I'm quite pleased with. It has worked in our RV application. Now, I don't have any experience in the stereo world, and I don't have any experience in the high performance world. But from the performance I've seen, from what we're demanding from it, I have no issues with it in those other applications, as long as all your ratings is correct. You make sure your wiring's correct, your ratings are correct, your batteries are correct, and you got to make sure your system is working properly for that Mechman alternator or any alternator to perform well.